Well, my friends, Khoini, the cut pieces of tobacco leaves is known as khoini, called khoini in Hindi language. In English, actually nothing but the tobacco dust. So it is marketed in the form of dust and known as khoini. It is marketed as a very fine pulverized powder known as snuffs or nasheed. It is available in the market in the form of various dusts known as jarda, bidi, tamak, cigarette, etc. So it is all of the parts of these tobacco leaves, all the fragmentary particles of the tobacco leaves, সব tobacco tamak পাতাগুলি having or containing carcinogenic particles, which contains some nicotinic acid. Nicotinic acid. It can cause many types of cancer, including cancer of the mouth, cancer of the tongue, cancer of the gums, stomach, esophagus, throat, and heavy users may have bladder cancers too. So chewing tobacco causes the gum ulcer, and this is a burning example of a gum cancer. So tobacco has always bad effects, causes cancer, lung diseases, and other health hazards or complications. But in spite of the well awareness of the society, the public take less interest to use it. There are many harmful effects, especially these dry tobacco produce oral cancer. How the person takes this tobacco? I am showing on picture. The person takes tobacco in this way within the mouth cavity. Not in proper mouth cavity, but in vestibular cavity. দাঁত বন্ধ করে ঠোঁট আর দাঁতের মাঝখানে যে জায়গাটা যেখানে ব্রাশ চালায় লোকে তাকে বলা হয় ওরাল ক্যাভিটি। আর ভিতরের পোর্শনটা হাঁ করলে যে পোর্শন তাকেই বলা হয় মাউথ ক্যাভিটি। সো হাঁ করলে পুরোটাই মাউথ ক্যাভিটি নয়, দাঁত আর ঠোঁটের মাঝখানে যেটা তাকে বলা হয় ওরাল ক্যাভিটি। So tobacco contains many different chemicals called as carcinogens which can cause cancer. These chemicals increase the risk of oral cancer such as cancer of the mouth, throat, cheek, gums, lip or tongue. There is also an increased risk of cancers of the pancreas and esophagus. So tobacco contains nicotine, which is habit forming and very addictive. It also predisposes individuals which chew tobacco to start smoking, which further increase a risk of developing other cancer. যারা খৈনিও খায়, সিগারেটও খায়, একসাথে ডাবল ইঞ্জিন দুইভাবে তামাক খাচ্ছে, তাদের রিস্ক ফ্যাক্টরস আরও বেড়ে যায়। So in my many videos I have already demonstrated the bad effects of cancer, and nowadays in the newspapers, in television channels, in many YouTube uploads by different prestigious physicians. It has been clearly mentioned that tobacco produces cancer and bad effects. In spite of that, people are not well aware, people are not well aware about taking tobacco. This patient developed ulcer in the oral cavity by using tobacco, by inserting tobacco mass in the oral cavity, and now a victim of malignant patient. So what will be my prescription, my friends? This patient is a lay person, non-educated, cannot tell his symptoms in details, elaborately, clearly. So it is very difficult to find out the symptoms. He is not only a lay person, but also there is language problem. So how much symptoms I have collected, I have understood there is aversion to sweets, many warts and moles in the face. On fine observation, I have seen many smaller warts over the face. So warts over the face or upper parts of the body is a symptom of causticum. Aversion to sweets is a symptom of causticum. মিষ্টি খুব একটা ভালোবাসো না, তাই তো বললে? মিষ্টি
মিষ্টি
মিষ্টি পছন্দ করো?
খালে তো ভালো লাগবে, তো খাই না।
খাও না কেন?
মাঝে মাঝে পাইলে
তোমার খুব ইচ্ছা করে না?
পারি কোথায়?
ইচ্ছা করে কি করে না?
করে
ইচ্ছা করে, দিলে সবসময় খেতে ইচ্ছা করে অন্য খাবার বাদ দিয়ে মিষ্টি?
না, সবসময়।
So contradictory talks are there. However, my observation, I have understood there is less interest in sugar or sweets. So matters little about this symptom, which is not a good confirmatory one. Other symptoms are many warts in the face and disturbed sleep. He wakes after midnight from insomnia. মাঝরাতের পরে ঘুম ভেঙে যায়, আর ঘুম আসে না, তাই বলেছ?
চিন্তায়।
So sleep disturbed. And another important symptom from my presence of mind I have taken, that is alkali burn. Caustica is a medicine for lime burn or alkali burn, and the quinine contains lime. So lime burn, it is not only due to tobacco, but also the dynamic burning of lime. চুন থেকে. So causticum is a great medicine for lime burn. So I do like to prescribe causticum in 50 millisecond scale of potencies, and let's see the result. I have given the direction to take this medicine thrice in a day, morning, noon and evening. I shall share you this case after 3 months, my friends. Please look after the video and wait, and remember the video number, my friend.